This is just a brief video just to see exactly what's in the new GoPro HD Hero 2 box. This is the outdoor edition of the GoPro Hero 2 HD. So let's see what's inside. So the camera is mounted on top of the box on this fairly useless mount. Comes with the Hero housing, as with the other camera. Let's open the box. First thing we see is a decent manual, much more comprehensive, much easier to use than the last one. Got a lot more details in there, and this will fit nicely in your back pocket when you're out filming. Battery with skeleton housing. USB cable. And 3 GoPro Hero stickers. Let's see what's under here. Okay, so these are all the mounts that come with the GoPro Hero 2. First of all, we have the head mount. So an elasticated head mount, fairly self-explanatory. GoPro Hero 2 goes on the front here. We have a vented strap mount. This can be mounted onto helmets that have the air vents in the top, either the ski helmets or cycle helmets. So you thread this strap through the vent and then back up, and then it gets tied up into here. It's quite good if you want to swap the camera from one helmet to another. And then here are all your adhesive mounts. So let's see what we've got. So we've got 2 curved mounts. And 2 flat adhesive mounts. So this bracket enables you to mount the GoPro Hero in different orientations due to the add-on of this elbow joint here. So you can have the GoPro at different angles, whether it's on the side of your helmet, top of your helmet, or attached to handlebars, etc. Subscribe to my channel. I've got lots more videos that I intend to be putting up soon on the GoPro Hero 2 HD.